Since I work like afternoon shifts, this whole like daylight savings, I love it. Cause when I get off, it's not crazy dark. I usually get off like 8. I want to say like 8, 7:30ish. So when I get off, like there's still people out. You know, the sun's out. I don't feel as lonely compared to like before, when the sun used to go down mad early, like 5, 6. It'll be mad dark. Nobody will be outside. Like, I just love the new time. There's heat too. Who the heck is that? Having this wiring issue where my headlights, every time I step on them, it turns on my last party mode. I'm trying to get Apple CarPlay, so instead of having my like parameters on my phone, instead of having them on my phone, I can have them like right here. Because I wanted to get a Tesla screen, but I don't know. Like I wouldn't use it as much as like, I don't know, like Tesla screens, they go for like $700-800. I feel like I'd rather put that money to like carbon fiber, you know, like a carbon hood or carbon fenders. I'd rather save that little bit of money and just get like a Apple CarPlay, call it a day, you feel me? Don't get me wrong, it's nice. I just rather put the money towards something else. Something sweet. I want to get something sweet, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been eating a lot of sweet, man. I'm gonna get fat. I mean, I got a little weight already, but you know, I want to get more fat. I don't know about y'all, but every time I get off work, I get like this instant rush of sugar. Like I just want something to snack on, you know. Also, I need to get a better mic setup so y'all can actually hear me in like the car and not all this drone. What I was thinking was doing is like hooking up a mic like to my shirt so y'all can hear my voice, and then hook up either to my intakes. Y'all let me know, should I hook it up to the intakes or to the exhaust? Or should I do both? Hook them both up. I don't care, man. I'm gonna get something sweet. I'm gonna go to Speedway. Dude, I wanted something sweet. I gotta stop, man. Like, I feel like I got all right discipline, but when it comes to like the gym and food, dude, my discipline sucks. But is that another Q50? Yo, swag. Drone is insane, dude. Y'all bear with me, man. This drone is cracked out of his mind. I need to get a mic set up. I'm gonna see if I do that this weekend. Oh, don't mind that. I need washer fluid. So what we got, let me show y'all. Y'all see that? Bro, when I tell you these cookies are like stale, this took I don't even want sugar no more. Making me not crave sugar no more. show y'all. All of my videos are AI generated, so anything that people might not like, I'm using the latest AI software to make my videos. That being said, I want to show y'all what my Q50 can do in this AI generated video. Bro, I got the craziest idea. Like, after I said AI generated video, imagine, like, bro, it sounds, bro, I have bad humor. Like, imagine somebody was crossing and accidentally hit them. Not at crazy speed, of course, because that would be crazy. Oh my gosh, was that a cop? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to AI generate that cop out of my video. Let's generate that cop to go left. Oh my gosh. Oh, my humor's down. I don't see no... Of course I already know no cops coming this way, because of course the videos are AI generated. And I want to AI generate a video of a 540 versus a Q50. Both tuned, of course. AI, of course. Fuck, dude. They put, I don't know how much sugar they put in that cookie. I don't know if y'all see, but bro, the whole mood switched up. Bro, I got like wired. What is that behind me? I don't even know what that is. Is that a Dodge? Can't even tell. Dude, for a second, I thought it was like some crazy car. I don't know why a Volkswagen popped up in my head. I thought I was about to line it up. AI generated, of course. I'm trying to see. Better not get in front of me. No, nut. Damn, bro. You know when you got traffic behind you and you can't see what type of headlights? Bro, that's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh, let me roll the window up. Y'all know that one video where it's like, he's not even trying to race you. He blinked. Bro, that's the exact video that popped up in my head. He probably think I'm trying to race him. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it. I'm going home. No more for tonight.